Okay, with this bracket all nice and tight, we can turn around and put the headlights back in place. And these are just held in by these little clips. Slick. Okay, here's our replacement light. Get from the scrapyard for $25. Plug it in. Slip it into place. Use one of GM's rather handy clips. It really is a rather slick way of doing it that they have devised here. There it is. That's all there is to it. Now, if only the hood was quite right. Okay, we have this emblem that for now we're going to reuse, just because we aren't going to do the this part is actually part of the bumper cover. This and this go together, and I have found one, but we're going to wait till the weather warms up to replace it. But for now, it snaps in back here, and there's also a couple of holders that go in here like this, like panel fasteners. I think we'll just tap that in with a hammer. On the other side, they're missing. They're broken away. But on this side, we should be able to. What I'm going to do then is just use a little of one of my favorite attachment pieces. I'll get a little bit of some wire ties, zip ties, zip the rest of this in. That'll keep that from going anywhere for now. Well, we have a new hood now. Scrap hood, that is to say. So, this one's coming off. Okay, I happen to have a hook in here, so why not use it? I have this up here for a different reason. But actually, it's in about the right spot. So we will utilize it. Okay, now we've got, this one has these little gas charged prop rods on it. So I've got to figure out how to separate that. Okay, it looks like they've done here is put a little clip on here. You just have to take off. It's a little wire clip. That's it. And off it comes. Since we've got it propped up, nothing to worry about. We'll go over and do the one on the other side. Take these off. It's a 13mm. Hang on to this. We'll need this for the new hood. hood's going to swing out, so. This was supposed to be a two-person hood removal today. My helper is a young man who had other ideas today. We get the old hood off. I didn't like the way the ratcheting strap that I had was working, so I switched to a cam buckle, and I can more safely raise and lower this thing with this. Once again, if you got some help, it's going to be far better, but if you don't, use something like this rather than trying to man it up there. So out with the old. We've got the new hood in position. So I'm just going to get up here and using our cam buckle, lift this safely up. Too high. Okay, we gotta let the hook down a little bit. Okay, it's in position to be bolted on. And now we'll get the bolts set in loosely. Okay, the arms. Alright. There. Back in place. Okay, here we go. Got our new hood in place. Might have an adjustment to make on the lock in the front. I've loosened up the hood release. There's a lot of play in here. A lot of room to play in here. So I had it all the way down. So I think it needs to come up. I think that's why it's not locking. So I think that's why they put it in there. So you can adjust it, of course, if you have this issue. Alright, get it snugged up pretty good, realizing that we may well have to do this a couple of times. Get it just right. Let's try it again. Okay, it's still not locking. Alright. I'm going to bring it up all the way. So that's all the way up. See if all the way up works. And it does. Looks good. We got a pretty good fit. Yeah, on both sides. Now release it and make sure that works. Tighten those up a little bit. Alright, so we've got most of it done. Still got to do some work on the bumper cover, wheel grill, but that's going to wait till better weather. It's February. Thanks for watching this video.